Hello, you lot. Full-time meal this week comes to you from a bakery doing a sausage roll. I mean, they are like everything that you want in a meal all in one. Meat with some stuff in it, wrapped in pastry. It's perfect. I love them. You are gonna need, funnily enough, some sausage meat, some puff pastry, some mushrooms, optional, a potato, an onion, some curry powder, mustard, tomato sauce, splash of milk, a grater, a knife, a wooden spoon, pastry brush, a bowl, and a roasting tray. If you can get one, a nice thin-sided one like this, but if not, just a standard roasting tray will work. Right then, the sausage meat goes into the bowl, and then into that, onion. Now you could chop it if you want, or to make life easier, we're gonna grate it. Take the skin off, get your grater, and off you go. Grating an onion or any vegetable is a really good way of doing it, okay? If you haven't got the knife skills, grating is a great way of chopping veg up quite small. Once the onion is grated, get yourself your potato, and I'm gonna grate that as well. Skin on.
How do I make sure I don't break my fingers when I get to the end?
Did everyone hear that question? It was, how do I make sure that I don't grate my fingers when I get to the end? Stop. I mean, that's it. Like, when you get to it being quite close, stop. Stop grating so you don't grate your fingers. Take the mix, add it to your sausage meat. I'm gonna add about 4 button mushrooms. I'm gonna grate them as well. A good squeeze of tomato sauce. The same amount of mustard. Then get your wooden spoon and mix. Once it's mixed, your mix should look like that. The next thing you need to do is get your puff pastry, okay? Roll it out. Then get your sausage meat mix, stick it into the second quarter on the pastry. Now, get the pastry from one end, pull it and roll it over. Then, just tuck it in, all right? Then, get yourself a little splash of milk. Brush the rest of it, cover it all. Then, you just roll your sausage roll onto the flappy over bit of puff pastry. And cut either side of the paper, all right? Get yourself the pastry brush and just brush the top. And this is helping to give it a glaze, okay? Colour it up just a little bit. If you haven't got a pastry brush, feel free to use your digit. And then, with your knife, just score it, not too deep. To dust on the top, I'm just gonna put a sprinkling of curry powder. Get your baking tray, slide it under, and there you have it, ready to go into the oven. I mean, what do you want me to say apart from, yeah, look at that, big, puffed up. It's got those lovely crispy end bits that we want. And look, here, if it splits, it doesn't matter. No one cares. This isn't an advert for a posh shop. This is about eating lush food. You're not gonna like this, guys. It's horrible, you're not gonna like it. No, it's got the crispy end! Let me see how you get on using the hashtag #FullTimeMeals and follow our page for loads more recipes.